Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 3 of review exercise, chapter number 12. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, how can you convert, the first is ethene into ethane. So we have to convert ethene into ethane. So ethene can be converted into ethane by hydrogenation reaction. So ethene can be converted into ethane by hydrogenation reaction. So ethene can be converted into ethane by hydrogenation reaction. In hydrogenation reaction, we have to react ethene by hydrogen gas molecule in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade temperature. So ethene by the hydrogenation reaction is always in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. So ethene can be converted into ethane. How it converted into ethane? Double bond is converted into single bond. When double bond is converted into single bond, one hydrogen will go to this carbon and one hydrogen will go to second carbon. So now it will be there are two carbon, one more there are two hydrogens. When one more hydrogen will come, it will be CH3, single bond CH3. So it is ethene, it convert into ethane. Moving to the second, we have to convert methane into carbon tetrachloride. It is the halogenation reaction. So in halogenation reaction, methane is CH4. It reacts with chlorine gas in the presence of the sunlight. So when methane reacts with chlorine gas, it is the substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, one hydrogen of methane replaced by one chlorine atom. So there are four hydrogen. When one hydrogen replaced, it will be 3, and it replaced by chlorine. So chlorine will attach in the replacement of the hydrogen. So the removed hydrogen will react to the second chlorine atom. There are two chlorine, one go to this, and the remaining chlorine will react with the removed hydrogen, then it will form HCl. Then it is chloromethane. Now chloromethane will react with another molecule of chlorine gas in the presence of the sunlight. So another hydrogen will replace to another chlorine. It is again substitution reaction. So now hydrogen will be 2 and one chlorine will increase, so chlorine will be 2, CH2Cl2, and the removed hydrogen will react with to another chlorine and form HCl. So it is dichloromethane. Dichloro means that two methane, means that one carbon molecule, two chlorine are attached. Then dichloromethane again react with chlorine gas molecule, and again one hydrogen will replace by another chlorine and forming CHCl3, and the removed hydrogen will react to another chlorine, form HCl. It is trichloromethane. Then trichloromethane again react with chlorine gas molecule, forming the remaining one hydrogen also replaced by another chlorine, forming CCl4. All the four hydrogen is replaced by all the four chlorine atoms. So HCl. So it is carbon tetrachloride, which we have to prepare. So from methane and by the halogenation reaction of methane, we can prepare carbon tetrachloride. This is the second reaction in which we have to convert methane into carbon tetrachloride. So we have converted methane into carbon tetrachloride by halogenation reaction. Moving to the third reaction. This reaction is ethene into, we have to convert ethene into glycol. So ethene can be converted into glycol by reacting with KMnO4 solution, dilute KMnO4 solution. So by reaction with KMnO4. So when ethene CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethyne. When ethyne reacted with KMnO4 solution in the presence of water molecule, it will convert into glycol. Glycol is CH2 single bond CH2 and both carbon having OH group, hydroxyl group. And the next is MnO2. The byproducts are MnO2 and KOH solution. In this molecule, in this reaction, we have to, this is glycol, ethylene glycol. We have to balance the reaction. For balancing the reaction, we need 3 molecules of ethene and 2 molecules of KMnO4 with 4 motor molecules, and the result 3 molecules of ethylene glycol with 2 molecules of MnO2 and 2 molecules of KOH will form. So this is the ethene. We convert ethene into glycol, and glycol is ethylene glycol. Moving to the fourth reaction, we have to convert ethyl chloride into ethane. We have to convert ethyl chloride into ethane. For the conversion of ethyl chloride into ethane, we have to do the reduction reaction. In reduction reaction, we have to react ethyl chloride with nascent hydrogen. Ethyl chloride is CH3 CH2 Cl. Ethyl chloride to react with nascent hydrogen, and nascent hydrogen will be prepared when Zn react with HCl. To perform this reaction, we have to necessarily react with Zn with HCl first, and when Zn react with HCl, it will produce nascent hydrogen. That nascent hydrogen will react with ethyl chloride, then ethyl chloride will convert it into ethane. So when ethyl chloride is reacted with nascent hydrogen, this chlorine is replaced by this hydrogen atom, so it will be CH3 CH2. We have CH2 with chlorine. When this chlorine is replaced by hydrogen, then there will be hydrogen in this place. So it is CH2, another hydrogen, so it is CH3. So it is ethane. And the remove chlorine react with second hydrogen to form HCl. So ethyl chloride can be converted into ethane by the reduction reaction. And the last one is ethyl bromide into ethene. Ethyl bromide can be converted into ethene by dehydrohalogenation reaction. So ethyl bromide is CH3 CH2Br. For the dehydrohalogenation reaction, we have to react the reactant with KOH in the presence of alcohol. So in this, bromine will remove from this hydrogen. We have dehydrohalogenation, means that we have to remove hydrogen and halogen. So bromine is a halogen, it will remove from this carbon, and from this carbon hydrogen will remove. So when hydrogen will remove from this carbon, it will be CH2, and when bromine will remove from this carbon, then it will be CH2 and double bond between them. So it is ethene. The removed bromine will react with the K and form KBr, and the removed hydrogen will react with OH to form H2O. So ethyl bromide convert into ethene by dehydrohalogenation reaction. So these are the 5 reactions that we have to convert the reactant into the product. So this is the question number 3 of review exercise chapter number 12. Inshallah in the next we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.